Dear students, in last lecture we have learned that in our country reproductive health programs or the family planning programs were introduced or initiated, and these programs are now known to us as reproductive health and child care programs. The main focus of all these programs is to make the people aware about the various types of facilities, the techniques, the methods which can help in building up of a reproductively healthy society. A reproductively healthy society is only when we have all the four aspects like physical, emotional, behavioral and social aspects. They are included in reference to the reproductive system. The people should be physically fit, means their reproductive should function normally, and also they should be emotionally and behaviorally balanced and socially responsible. In our country, there are a number of problems which are related with maintaining this reproductive health. And one of such problem is population explosion. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what we mean by population explosion and what are different reasons of the population explosion. So, let's define population explosion. It can be defined as tremendous increase in size and growth rate of the population. Means when the population is overgrowing, it is in reference to the resources available to us. Because the resources are limited and the demand from the people is increasing day by day because of increased growth rate. This is population explosion. Now let's discuss what are different reasons. The first reason is declining mortality rate. Mortality rate is actually the death rate and it can be defined as per capita deaths. Mortality rate in terms of the pregnancies or the child health care programs, if we are going to refer these points, then the maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, they have been decreased just because of better medical facilities, immunization programs, safe pregnancies, all these things. Actually, these are the positive things, positive programs which have been introduced for the safety of mother and the infant. But because of these medical facilities, in our country, there has been a problem which can be associated with this population explosion, that there is decrease in mortality rate, and it has been observed that it was 44.1 in 1901, but it has decreased to 8.7 in 2001. This is the report which indicates that the death rate is decreasing day by day. Then there is second point is slower decline in birth rate. If we are going to compare it with the death rate, these are the two death rates which maintain balance in the population. But if birth rate is increased, if we compare it with death rate, then obviously more and more members are adding to the population. This means increase in birth rate is also responsible for the population explosion, and in India this rate is 1.7%. This means that in India population is going to be doubled in 33 years. Next 33 years will be having double the population as we have recorded today. Third is longer lifespan. Life expectancy of the people is increasing. This has been observed that in 1901 it was 34, means the average age of the people was 34 years, but in 2001 it has increased to Again, this can be associated with the better medical facilities. Then there is absence of famines. In earlier times, there were a number of natural disasters like drought and floods that the society was facing. But these problems are now, they are dealt with better facilities available with us, like we have better storage facilities, better transport facilities. That means if the country is facing such natural problems, then we are always ready to deal with these problems. So because of absence of famines or better dealing with these famines, the death rate is decreasing or the mortality rate has been decreased, leading to the population explosion. Next is early marriages. Although in our country the marriageable age group is decided, this is 18 years. The girl should be of minimum 18 years and the boy should be of minimum 21 years so that they can marry. But yes, it happens in our country that especially in rural areas, early marriages do occur, and early marriages are also responsible for the population explosion. Next, the reason can be the religious beliefs. There is a religious belief in many of the religions. There is a belief that if they are they are going against any family, if they are adopting any family planning program that make them to go against the religion, so it is, they link it with their religion that they have to increase the size of their family because they are following their religion. So they go against adoption of small family norms. They go against adoption of small family norms just because of their religious beliefs. The next point is lack of education. If a person is educated, then he knows importance of spacing between the children. He knows how the small family can be supported in a better way. The upbringing of his family or his children is in a better way if it is going to be compared with the larger family. And especially education of the women. It plays very important role in upbringing of the children. So lack of education is also responsible for this tremendous increase in size of the population, because the people, uneducated people, are not aware that there should be space in between the children, there should be family planning, there should be small size of the family that can help them to upbring their children in a better way. And the point here is the child labor. There are many families which believes that to usher in the prosperity, if they are going to add more and more members in their families, the children, they will bring prosperity to their family by adding to the workforce. They will help them in work and they are going to increase their economic status. But they are wrong at this place. So the child labor is common among such large families which believes that the new child will add workforce and will help in earning for their families. So these are the points that can be related with this major problem of our country, that is population explosion. I hope these points are clear to you.